Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create zoom through text on a VN video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my VN video editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and select new project. And since we want to edit video, we can choose a video based. Okay, and then you can import a video you want to edit. For example, I'm going to add a video from my download album or download folder. Okay, here I'm just going to pick random video. For example, this one. Okay, I'm going to click on next. Alright, and then it's time to add tags to this project. We can go to the tags menu here, and then we're going to click on the text, and then I'm going to choose mask. Alright, and for me, I'm just going to type in text masking. Alright, click on the check mark. Oops. Sorry, and then you can change the font if you want. I'm going to choose for example this one, super shiny. Okay, and then I'm going to make it smaller, and then I'm going to make it longer for the text. Okay, and now we're going to add keyframe to the text. You're going to click on the text, and then you're going to add keyframe. For the beginning, I'm just going to add keyframe like this. I don't want to change anything, and then I'm going to place the keyframe here at the end part. I'm gonna click on keyframe, and then I'm going to zoom in like this. Okay. Okay guys, and then you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and then I'm going to play it to show you. Okay, this is the final result. Or I can make it shorter, and I'm gonna add keyframe again. Okay, and let's see what we have. All right. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create zoom through tags on VN video editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.